Hello and welcome to April Storm Paper Studio. Today I want to update you on what I'll be doing this month. LineDotArrow has a new monthly challenge with weekly prompts put up in her group. I'm going to create something each week from the free challenge papers she provides in her groups to members. It's free to join. I will also use the 2 new kits in her shop, her Etsy shop. Links to everything will be provided below. I'm going to combine all this with my design team project for LineDotArrow to make something beautiful. Let's look at the kits and freebies. In her Etsy shop, and it is called Purple Summer Jam Edition. It's 25 pages. Now this next kit is the freebie kit for the first week of the monthly challenge for July. And the prompt is to create corset pocket tags. So that's what we'll be working on for week 1. Corset pocket tags. Now this last kit is in her Etsy shop. It's the second of the new Etsy kits listed, and it's called Vintage Ephemera Kit. There's 23 pages. It's US letter size. I believe she also has A4 size as well. Now these are the 2 corset pocket tags that I created for week 1's challenge in LineDotArrow. And they really turned out so pretty, I think. And feel free to make these however you wish. I made 2 of them, and they're both corset pocket tags. I just decorated them differently, and I used the Vintage Ephemera kit to stuff down in the pockets. 2 of them. So I hope you enjoy my little creations and you join me and make your own. Take care, everyone. Bye.